Hello and welcome to our live stream video. My name is Juliana Ackerbloom, Social Media and Content Specialist at Plex Systems. Today we'll discuss what you can expect to learn about cloud for industrial operations at the upcoming ROKLive event. First, I want to thank all of you for joining us, and before we get started, I have a question for our viewers. Are there barriers or concerns about adopting cloud? What problems are you trying to solve, and how are you planning to scale those solutions? Feel free to give your feedback in the comments below. Now, here with me today is Jerry Foster, CTO of Plex Systems, and Chirayu Shah, Software Business Leader at Rockwell Automation. Thank you both for joining me today.
Thank you so much, Juliana. It's great to be here.
Thanks for having us.
Awesome. Well, I'm excited. Now, ROKLive will include everything you remember from the Rockwell Automation, Tech Ed, and Plex Systems PowerPlex events, plus a whole lot more. Together, this event will highlight the power and expertise of our innovations and solutions and showcase how you can achieve greater results. Join us in Orlando for an enhanced experience you can't afford to miss. Now, here with me today is Plex's own Jerry Foster. Thanks again for joining me, Jerry.
Thank you.
So now, this is the first year that PowerPlex is joining forces with Rockwell for ROKLive. How exciting! How will this look different from PowerPlex?
So it's so exciting. And you know, so many of our customers are already Rockwell customers, so the value of the conference for them is going to be huge. ROKLive will be everything that you've enjoyed about PowerPlex in the past. Plus, we're going to have additional keynotes to learn from, both Plex and Rockwell. In addition to that, over 70 Plex-specific sessions, something for everyone. The hands-on workshops are now free, and who doesn't love free? And we'll have a number of industry-specific roundtables available to attend as well. So you're not going to want to miss it.
Nope, definitely not going to want to miss that. There's so much to look forward to. And so your peer exchange session is called Geek Out, Bring Your Technology Topics and Ideas. So what are you most excited to geek out about?
Well, being a geek, I love technology, obviously. So anytime I can go into the weeds about cool stuff is always fun. One of the things I'm responsible for is researching new and existing technology, specifically tech that's related to manufacturing, and determining which of those technologies will have the most impact on our customers. So I try to visit customers when I can, but getting a whole bunch of them in a single room, that's gold, and so much fun. There's nothing like actually talking to our customers, listening to what they're doing, what they're implementing, what technology is actually useful to them. It's a blast, and it's so valuable to what I do, and hopefully will be very valuable for them as well. So I'm not as excited about what I'm geeking out about as much as who I'm geeking out with.
Well, that's going to be awesome regardless. Getting a whole group of people together to just finally chat in person, it's going to be great.
Yep, it is.
So are there any surprises? Do you have any sneak peeks into what's kind of coming down the technology pipeline?
Well, if I told you, it wouldn't be much of a surprise now, would it? So there are so many cool technologies that I'm sure we're going to hit on, both in the Geek Out session and also the technology keynote on day 2. Some cutting edge stuff like artificial intelligence and additive printing, some more meat and potatoes technology like cloud and IoT. But that said, yes, there are some things that we'll discuss that will be a bit futuristic or surprising. All I'll say is you might want to go play some Fortnite before you come to ROKLive.
Good advice. Good to know, for sure.
Right.
Well, so much to look forward to. I can't wait. Thanks so much for chatting, Jerry.
Yeah, thank you. It was great.
Now, if you're just joining us, welcome. We just heard from Plex CTO Jerry Foster about cloud for industrial operations, which is going to be a key topic at ROKLive. And thank you to everyone who's jumped into the comments to tell us your thoughts and questions on cloud, AI, and machine learning. All right, so let's switch gears a little bit to digital transformation and IT/OT convergence. Here with me to share some insights is Rockwell's Chirayu Shah. Appreciate you joining me.
Of course, pleasure's all mine.
So the world of industrial analytics and data collection is always changing. What are key trends that you think manufacturers should be keeping their eye on?
Yeah, so I'd say there are 3 different trends that I'll highlight. The first one is there is a lot of information, but a lot of time the context is missing. So not only just looking at the data that's streaming from manufacturing floor, but getting context and intelligence with it. There are a lot of intelligent devices that have predictive maintenance data built into them. So how do we expose that? So that's one trend that's emerging, more from device manufacturers. The other one is around closed loop analytics. So really trying to drive optimization models back at the edge and be able to create value for people who are running those operations and manufacturing processes. So delivering the value at the right user at the right time is really, really important. That's the second trend. And the third one is around citizen data scientists. So how do we bring intelligence of cloud, intelligence of data, and this information to all people in the organization, not just PhDs who are driving optimization models. So really bringing that capabilities and models and tools back down to people who are running these operations on day in and day out. So those are the three emerging trends that we are seeing, and a lot of our customers are investing in it as we speak.
Wow, good to know, definitely. And analytics capabilities are on a spectrum, right? What does that spectrum look like?
Yeah, it's a great question. So we started analytics journey with a lot of it around descriptive analytics, right? So you get information, you get displayed that on a trend or a gadget or a dashboard, and you react to that information, really reacting to the process that's been done. Versus what the world is evolving to is more of the predictive and prescriptive analytics. So how do we create solutions that allow our customers to predict failures and prevent those failures from happening in the first place? This is massive challenge because those downtimes could be significant in terms of cost for our customers. And so what we are doing is really driving these capabilities so that we can provide those intelligence upfront into their processes. The closed loop analytics piece that I talked about, as well as driving that optimization and modernization from productivity perspective. So when that intelligence gets built into the control system or your automation system, you're reacting to those process changes more effectively. And so really it's just shifting, right, from going from this descriptive world to more of the prescriptive world is where the world is headed now.
Yeah, definitely. That's really
Yeah.
interesting. Are you planning to share any industry use cases at ROKLive?
Absolutely. There's going to be tons and tons of use cases we're going to showcase. Analytics is built on delivering value to our customers. So you're going to hear about CPG, life sciences, automotive and tire. You're going to hear about process heavy equipment or industries around mining. There's going to be tons of use cases through Tech Talk, where we'll have domain experts talk about how they've delivered value in real projects, as well as we'll have hands-on labs where you can experience yourself how you can deliver outcomes for your business problems that you have. So it's going to be a lot of opportunities for you to learn different use cases from industry experts, analysts, customers, fellow users of these capabilities. It's going to be an awesome opportunity for you to collaborate and learn more from people who are doing this day in and day out at the event.
Yeah, definitely. So much to look forward to. Well, thank you so much for chatting.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we can tell by the comments that there's a tremendous interest in the topic of cloud for industrial operations. So don't forget to register for ROKLive to save your spot in these open dialogue conversations at the event. And I want to thank all of you for watching today's live stream and sharing your thoughts in the comments. And a big thank you to Jerry and Chirayu for a great conversation. Once again, this is Juliana Ackerbloom, and I'll see you at ROKLive.